Every aspect of the above problem, diet can be a cause to diet to suit individuals' choice and requirements. A choice between costly apple or earlier they had to travel to Chennai or Delhi to write this exam. Instituting cash awards to encourage members who are presenting papers at the national conferences. Instituting cash awards for the candidates who scores highest marks for the RD exam center in Hyderabad. Working for registered dietitian board recognition for RD internship training to as many hospitals as possible to provide the practical skills training required for taking up the RD exam. We have reworked on membership details to ensure that we can communicate to all members effectively by email. And it's surprisingly, even our oldest of the members who have registered into the organization have responded to our request and they have sent their emails. So our act speaks for what we are. We want to come forward and play our role in the society and for the community. Request the celebrities, the achievers in the society who are the role models for the society. Because when I went to the badminton academy to Gachibowli to invite Mr. Gopichand Garu, I had a very pleasant feeling. The moment I entered, there was green lawn, children were playing outside. As I entered into the group, there were guavas kept on the table and there were packets of dry fruits and nuts to be served to the children. What else? I thought, this is the person I'm going to invite. And the person, the discussion what we had, he's going to the extent of giving good nutritional supplements to the children in his academy by serving brown rice, green leafy vegetables, and he personally supervises the diet there. It was, I felt it was the best place and he was the best guest to be invited today. So we want your support as a practicing person to tell the value of good diet to the society, how much it can benefit each and every one. And request, so today we are launching our theme with 7 key messages, and these key messages we have incorporated into a poster which we will be releasing now, and we want all the organizations, hospitals, schools, everybody to use this poster, display this prominently. We have given free flexi banners, so we want everybody to utilize this opportunity and promote the concept of healthy foundation for healthy tomorrow. Thank you.